In today's quick video, I'll be showing you how you can delete a Discord server on mobile. My last video was about how to create or make a Discord server, and sometimes you can make a server and make a mistake. That's why in this video, I'll be showing you how you can delete your own Discord server that you created. It's very simple. Now on your mobile phone, look for Discord. You can see here Discord. I will tap and open it. If you open Discord, you will get a dashboard or an interface like this. You can see, right? So from the dashboard here, come and select the server you want to delete. You can see I have one server here, OSF, the one I created in my last video tutorial. So I will select this server here, OSF, Old School Friends. If you select it, you will get this. You can see, right? So come here at the top here and tap on the name of the server, Old School Friends. I will tap on it. If I tap on it, I'll get this page here. On this page here, you can see here settings. Tap on settings. If you tap on settings, you also get this page, and on this page here, you can see here overview. Tap on this overview, and if you tap on this overview from this page here, then scroll all the way down. Then all the way down, you can see here delete server. So just tap on this delete server. And you can see here, are you sure you want to delete Old School Friends? This action cannot be undone, and once you get server deleted, all your chat messages and all categories and channels will also be deleted. If you want to delete it, then you can go ahead and tap on this yes, and your server will be deleted. But if you don't want to, you can tap on no and come back. So that is it. It's very simple. That's how you can actually delete a server on Discord. That will say a server you created. Thanks for watching, and bye.